Hello friends, get ready for progressive dictation. Okay, start. But when people criticize the government, it is their right to do so, even if they may be wrong. After all, freedom includes the freedom to make mistakes. Of course, freedom will be lost if one does not recognize mistakes. One must try to see them and correct them and not persist in mistakes. Otherwise, freedom itself gets into danger. But that also has to be done by the people concerned. It is not for another agency to put right the other agency para. Therefore, the press has to criticize not only the government but also the people when they go wrong and also itself more than anybody else. Unless the press cultivates the capacity of pointing out its own defects, I do not think it will qualify itself to be effective para. How it is to be done also is not my function. That is for you to devise. If I begin to tell you about that, it also will mean guidance and direction. I do not want to get into that field. Yes, if you privately discuss this matter with me, I can discuss it with you as a citizen. That is a different matter, but as government, I have no business to tell you what you should do and what you should not do, except the general principles para. It is for this reason that we have said that the news agency, the Samachar, should revert to the old status quo position. When four agencies were functioning, we received all kinds of contradictory recommendations in this matter. Some thought that we were also yielding to political pressure. We are not yielding to any political pressure. At least I refuse to yield to any pressure whatsoever, whether it is from you or anybody. One should not yield to any pressure. That is what I would certainly beg of you. One should not yield to any pressure unless one wants to give up one's freedom and independence of judgment. But if have no other way, we want to restore the freedom of the news agencies and there should be competition. There should not be one agency at all. There ought to be competition and therefore there were four agencies and we shall restore them. They should function properly and with equal strength. That is what we should like to see. Their government can help, but government cannot direct them, nor can it do anything else in this matter, except assisting them in what assistance they may want. Stop. If you like this dictation, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.